Nokia is introducing the new 125 4G 2024 model that is available for purchase. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. First talk about the specifications of this latest Nokia 125 4G 2024 that you need to know. The phone has TFT LCD display with 2.4 inches screen size that produces the 240 by 320 pixel resolution and 120 MB of storage, and you can expand memory with micro SD card. You have 2000 contact entries in this phone. However, it has the same VGA camera as its previous model. No features and no front camera. While others in this category and with similar budgets offer very attractive handset with good cameras, touch screens, large batteries and 4G connectivity. While the new Nokia 124 4G 2024 has a compact 1450 mAh battery that can keep it active for the whole day. The point to be noted is that the Nokia 125 2024 is a 4G supported handset. Phone is coming with USB Type-C port. That's all for now and thanks for watching.